For my computational artifact, I chose to do it on GPS and make a website that works like an infographic where you just scroll. The first section is just a brief history of GPS and why it was necessary for it to be created. And then I just illustrate using an array of images how GPS is integrated into modern society for things like tracking endangered species or improving agriculture or for gaming for games like Pokemon Go. And then for how it works, I just explain how the global positioning system consists of satellites that constantly send information at the speed of light about both its position and the current time. Then GPS receivers on Earth receive these signals. The receivers then calculate how far the satellites are by the time it took for the signals to arrive. And then once the receivers have information for 3 satellites, they can find its own location, exact location on Earth using a method called trilateration, which I explained further.